Hello students, good morning. Welcome to Standard for English class. Dear students, all of you take out the literature book, open at page number 60. This is unit 4, chapter 1. This is a poem. Poem name is Why. So in our last class, we have already discussed about stanza 1 and stanza 2. So in stanza 1 and stanza 2, we have discussed that there is a boy and who is very curious. The boy is very curious. He is asking many type of questions like where should wood swim, and where lead and marble sing in the water, and where should sun shine, and where should wind blow. Okay, and another questions are where do we eat, and where do we drink water. Such type of question the boy is asking in stanza 1 and in stanza 2. So today we are going to start our third stanza and fourth stanza, so that all of you watch the video carefully and listen me. Let's start. He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky, why sinks the sun behind the hills, and why the flowers die. So in the third stanza, the poet gives some more example of the questions asked by the little boy. In this stanza, the poet gives another example of the question asked by the little boy. The boy wants to know the procedure of cloud formation. And where do the cloud cross the sky. Okay, and he also wants to know why does sun set behind the hills and beautiful flowers of the garden die. ये जो स्टांजा इसमें ये जो लड़का है वो है क्वेश्चन किया है कि ये जो बादल है क्लाउड्स कैसे बनता है और वो क्यों आसमान को क्रॉस करके चला जाता है, कौन, क्लाउड्स. और वो लड़का और भी पूछ रहा है कि जो सूरज है वो क्यों डूब जाते हैं, कहाँ डूब जाते हैं, पहाड़ के पीछे क्यों सूरज डूब जाते हैं, और जो गार्डन में जो ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स होता है ये क्यों मर जाते हैं. ये सब ये स्टांजा थर्ड में पूछे हैं. ओके, देन कम टू स्टांजा 4. सम ऑफ दिस वर्ड्स आर नॉट टू हार्ड टू आंसर इफ यू विल ट्राई. Others no one ever yet has found the reason why. Here in the last stanza, the poet tells that if you try to think that some of the questions asked by the little boy are not too difficult. The questions are not too difficult. Some of the questions are difficult to answer. Whereas some of the questions have no answer yet, as no one has found them and we have accepted them as fact. So ये लास्ट स्टांजा में पोएट बोले हैं कि जो लड़का जो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है, कुछ क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना बहुत इजी है और कुछ ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जबकि उसका आंसर नहीं है, अभी तो किसी को भी वही आंसर नहीं पता है. So in the end, the poet tells that answer to some of his questions is not too hard, while some of them remain unanswered, as no one has found the answer to them, because some questions are very easy and some questions are very difficult. Okay, so my dear students, I will send some questions and word meaning related to this two stanza. You will write neatly in your literature copy. Thank you and have a nice day.